This activity is for you to create your very own Stranger Things pencil case. Now this can be used just as a piece of artwork on a canvas, on paper, pencil case, a tote bag. It works the same for whatever you want to add this to. But today we're doing the pencil case. As you see, we're first of all going to draw 3 wiggly lines evenly spaced out on the page. And then we're going to add just very small dashes off of the line. Now on the first line, you want to make sure that you've got 8 dashes down, as evenly spaced as you can. Second line, you want to have 9 small dashes down the line. Again, try and evenly space them out. Like I did if you want to draw it on a pencil first, just to make sure that you get them spaced out. That's absolutely fine. You can just trace over with a Sharpie or possibly. After you've done that, then you want to add some colours at the end of each of those dashes to represent your light bulbs. You can do any colours that you like. This is yours, so you can be creative with it. After this, then you're going to add the alphabet, 1 letter each, underneath the light bulbs. Again, there you have your finished pencil case from Stranger Things. If you've liked this video, then please do follow my YouTube channel, LHA Artistry.